Craving something crispy, crunchy, and full of flavors? Try this noodles bread toast, a perfect crunchy treat with an instant noodle twist. Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innoven Foods. Let's start. First, boil some water in a pan. Add 1 packet of instant noodles and cook for 2 minutes until soft. Drain and keep aside. In a mixing bowl, add boiled noodles, 2 tablespoons finely chopped onion, 1 chopped green chili, 1 packet instant noodle spice mix, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well to form a sticky mixture. If you are a cheese lover, add some shredded cheese to the noodles mixture for a gooey center. Egg is a great source of protein, helps in muscle building and keeps you full longer. Now take some bread slices and cut off the edges. Use whole wheat bread and homemade sauces for a healthier twist. Carbs from bread and noodle provide quick energy. Spread the prepared noodles mixture evenly over the bread. Cut the bread into triangle shapes for easy frying. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Carefully place the prepared bread triangle into the oil. If you want extra crunch, coat the bread triangles in breadcrumbs before frying for extra crispiness. For a healthier version, air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. Fry until they turn golden brown and crispy. Remove and place on a paper towel to absorb excess oil. Serve with ketchup, mayonnaise, or spicy garlic dip for a delicious combo. Try this recipe and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious snacks. See you in the next video.